Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, right in between the iconic Atlantic City Boardwalk and the Atlantic Ocean on a beautiful fall day. I'm going to take a walk along the boardwalk today, but I'm not going to film the boardwalk walk. What I am planning on doing is stopping into all 6 of the hotels and casinos along the boardwalk and showing you what restaurants are where, as far as we'll start off here at the Ocean. What restaurants are here at the Ocean? Obviously, I'm not going to eat at all these restaurants, but I'll give you a couple shots of them. I'll give you a little blurb about what they have to offer as far as food and their menu choices, and we'll take it from there. We're going to start off here at the Ocean Casino Resort and start heading south until we get to the Tropicana. I hope to hit most of these restaurants. I don't think I'm going to manage to get all of them. I'm sure I'm going to forget 1 or 2. Each hotel and casino has quite a few restaurants, so we'll take things from there. I think you'll enjoy this video. It's going to be all about food, not me eating food, but me discussing food. So let's go into the Ocean first and start there. I started to realize this video was going to run way too long, so it's going to be a 3-parter. This is part 1. It's going to focus on the 3 hotels and casinos on the northern end of the boardwalk. Part 2 will focus on the southern end of the boardwalk, and part 3 on the marina side of town. First up here at the Ocean is Harper's, with award-winning breakfast and lunch offerings plus unbeatable views of the park. Harper's is the premier spot to grab brunch in Atlantic City. I had some wonderful French toast here, and that video is available on the New York channel. American Cut Steakhouse in Dulce Mare is located right off the Ocean Casino floor. There's an elevator here. You need to take that down to get to both restaurants. Whether lingering over Negroni or a decadent meal with the best ocean views in Atlantic City, Dulce Mare is the perfect setting for socializing and indulging in the charm of the Italian dining culture. And this is American Cut. Experience steakhouse staples and divine seafood in a warm and vibrant atmosphere. Voted Best Steakhouse in Casino Player Magazine's Year of the Best of Dining and Nightlife Awards for the 2nd consecutive year. Chef Garces is proud to offer his culinary masterpiece, Amada, a rustic, chic tapas-style restaurant and bar showcasing the authentic taste of Andalusia. Get ready for an exciting head-to-head matchup at the largest Topgolf swing suite in America. Ideal for teams, families, or a night out with friends, full-service food and beverage are available here. Aloha! Step into Mackay and be instantly transported to a state of vacation at this unique eatery where your favorite dishes are presented with an island twist. Mackay's Hula Burger is the winner of the 2022 first annual New York Burger Challenge here in Atlantic City. That Hula Burger was fantastic. Video available here on the New York channel. Zen Bang Noodle and Sushi showcases items from a variety of Asian cuisines, including Japanese, Vietnamese, and Chinese. It's open daily for lunch and dinner. And again, I'm going to repeat myself several times, but I just want you to know which restaurants I have videos on here on the New York channel. Zen Bang is another one. The chef-inspired menu at Wahlburgers offers delicious burgers and so much more, made only with fresh ground beef, high-quality ingredients, and lots of love. And another one with a video here on the New York channel. Rocco's Italian Kitchen and Market serves made-to-order sandwiches and salads, pizzas, hot subs, and other Italian specialties. It's open daily for lunch, dinner, and late-night cravings. I had the pizza here, that available on the New York channel as well. Villain and Saint is a modern gastropub and rock and roll music hall featuring draft beers from around the world and bass-pumping live shows from Atlantic City every weekend. And guess what? That's right, been there, ate that. It's available here on the New York channel. Legendary New York City restaurant Serendipity 3 has a new home in the Ocean Casino Resort, home of the world's famous frozen hot chocolate. Serendipity 3 offers a one-of-a-kind dining experience transporting Ocean's guests into a fantasy world filled with great food and dream-sized desserts. Yep, I did a video here too. As a matter of fact, you guys could not believe how much I spent on a hot dog, according to your comments. Dive into the district bars and restaurants to discover a variety of high-level flavors paired with speedy service. This Atlantic City food court lets you choose from dining options like Asian cuisine and refreshing salads to grilled bites and traditional deli sandwiches. If you're looking for a quick quality brewed coffee to go, the district proudly serves Lavazza coffee. Well, that's pretty much it for the Ocean Casino Resort. Let's start heading up north, and I believe Hard Rock is next. Okay, before you even comment, I know I said north. I meant south. Go ahead and shoot me. First up at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is the Sugar Factory, known as the most Instagrammable restaurant in the US. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Next up at the Hard Rock is Fresh Harvest Buffet, which is the place to embark on a culinary tour of the world where every meal is a show-stopping chef's performance. I have a video here on the New York channel about Fresh Harvest Buffet, and I just visited there recently, and that video will be coming out as well. Fresh Harvest Buffet is only one of 2 buffets here in Atlantic City. The other one is at the Borgata. This area on the mezzanine level of the Hard Rock is known as the Flavor Tour. Enjoy food from 7 different quick service locations in the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The Flavor Tour offers everything from sandwiches and salads to gourmet burgers, premium gelato, and everything in between. Restaurants here in the Flavor Tour include White House Subs, The Green Bar, Burgers and Hops, Asian Fusion, Alexia's Patisserie, Pizzata, Chop and Sauce, Hit the Road, which is a coffee house. And if you watch any of my videos, especially the room tours here in the Hard Rock, you'll see I visit a lot of these places and enjoy the food up in the hotel room. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This is Yu Noodle Bar here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and they have, I guess you can call this a noodle bar here on this side, and on the other side of this hallway or corridor is a Yu Noodle restaurant. Both focus on freshly made noodles and savory broths inspired by Asian street food. Next up is Il Mulino. Rustic Italian flavors will be served at Il Mulino, spotlighting old world Italian food made with quality fish, lamb, and cured meats, along with fresh homemade cheese and pasta. Now, on several occasions, I've heard chefs from around Atlantic City being interviewed and being asked, other than your restaurant, where would you like to eat? And a lot of the chefs around town are saying they would like to eat, if they couldn't eat at their restaurant, at Il Mulino. This is Sandpiper Coastal Bar and Grill. Revel in the cool, relaxed atmosphere where you can enjoy an eclectic seasonal menu designed for sharing. Enjoy modern culinary bites with expert wine pairings, fruit-forward cocktails, and local brews. Funny, I get comped here all the time, yet I've yet to visit it. Soon, very soon. Kuro is a new style Japanese restaurant for the Hard Rock. It features contemporary artisanal dishes using locally sourced and imported ingredients directly from Japan. Menu items boast bold and complex flavors that are balanced and harmonious and designed with sharing in mind. For upscale dining in an intimate setting, guests can make a reservation at Council Oak Steaks and Seafoods, originally made famous at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Florida. The a la carte menu is focused on ocean-to-table fare with tableside caviar service and a fire-burning kitchen, all set in an elegant dining room inspired by the bold aesthetic of the Seminole culture. And of course, it wouldn't be a Hard Rock without a Hard Rock Cafe, and this is a 400-seater serving up nothing but the hits. The Atlantic City Hard Rock Cafe brings guests all the famous fare they're known for, plus some unique dishes exclusive to this boardwalk location. Inside or outside on the boardwalk, one of the best casual restaurant menus in the city, and of course, lots of videos here on the New York channel from the Hard Rock Cafe at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. That's it for Hard Rock. Let's go up north a little bit further, check out Resorts Hotel and Casino, shall we? So I'm not sure what's wrong with my internal compass today, but again, we're heading south, not north. First up here at Resorts is the Landshark Bar and Grill restaurant. The Landshark Bar and Grill is the only year-round full-service bar and restaurant on the sand side of the boardwalk. Those of you who watch the New York channel know I didn't have that great of an experience here at the Landshark Bar and Grill, and that video is available here on the New York channel. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, you can easily do so by clicking on that thanks button right next to the thumbs up button, or you can purchase some merchandise at the New York store. The link is in the description below. I appreciate all your support. Thank you so much, guys. And as soon as you walk into Resorts Hotel and Casino, you have a Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville, on the left-hand side, as well as a Margaritaville store and some Margaritaville photo opportunities. Of course, I've eaten here, and that video is available on the New York channel. Right across from the Margaritaville is Mukashi, which delights guests with traditional Japanese sushi and sashimi that pays homage to this centuries-old culinary tradition. Expertly crafted, guests will enjoy the freshest ingredients woven into the highest quality sushi on the market. And right next to the Mukashi Sushi Bar is Eastwind Chinese Restaurant, serving up classic Chinese food. And if you continue straight into the Resorts Hotel and Casino, go through the casino and you'll come across the Quick Bites food court here at Resorts. Some of the restaurants here include Buckaboo's Burritos, Dunkin' Donuts, Familia Pizza, Haagen-Dazs, Ruby's Dinette. Lots of good things I've heard about Ruby's Dinette, and I've eaten there. and I've had some good meals there as well. Very good and inexpensive meals. And the Soup Man. This is Doherty's Steakhouse and Raw Bar, part of the famed Atlantic City restaurant family. The dining concept features a classic steakhouse, raw bar, and live entertainment. I've had a couple happy hour meals here on the New York channel if you want to check those videos out. An Atlantic City favorite, Breadsticks Cafe has been satisfying customers with a delicious array of breakfast selections, freshly prepared lunch and dinner entrees, plus their homemade desserts. I had some great French toast here at Breadsticks, and of course, that video is available here on the New York channel. And here we have Capriccio Italian Restaurant, voted the #1 U.S. casino restaurant in the entire country by USA Today's 10best.com Reader's Choice Awards in all the years 2018, 2020, 2021, 2022. This restaurant's on a roll, folks. And back downstairs, we have the Margaritaville Coffee Shop. The first ever Margaritaville Coffee Shop is located right here at the Resorts Hotel and Casino at Atlantic City. They have a signature collection of gourmet coffees, from unique blends like Pirate Gold Coffee, a dark roast blend, to its license to chill coffee, a caffeine-free option. And that's it for part 1 of this series. That was it for Resorts. Off to Bally's. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.